I generated $1.2 million cash collected for online business owners and scaled my income to $12,000 per month. Guys, but few years ago, situation was not like this. After high school, I went to Ireland, 2,500 kilometers from home, and I was working on construction site. 3 years after, I became financially free and consistently making 5 figures per month. And listen, I'm not exception. Guys from my network like Philip went from 9 to 5 to making 5 figures per month, and Venko that was making $500 per month in a casino went to $25,000 per month in a commission. So I'm in pretty good position to show you how to make your first 5 to 15k a month online. Guys, I was always a dreamer. First of all, my name is Dominik Sesar, if you never met me. Listen, I was working on construction. After I come home, I see people prospering online, making money, and I was wondering how. Guys, I tried everything. I tried Amazon FBA, drop shipping, I tried network marketing, I tried forex trading. I failed. But listen, I never give up, and I found one thing that truly worked for me. Listen, this is not the fastest or easiest way, but it can definitely make you 5 figures a month, and you can definitely leave your 9 to 5 job behind. So by the end of this video, you're going to get complete guide how to go from $0 online to starting this part-time. Guys, I was doing it also. I started this part-time. After this income exceeded my 9 to 5, I went all in. So you need something flexible. First of all, you're doing 9 to 5 job. Probably you're making around 2 to 4 grand a month, and you don't have energy, you don't have time, you're wasting a lot of your assets to work on 9 to 5 job that is paying you limited wage. And a lot of people start online businesses. A lot of people come in, I want to make money online, but you need to understand, for you to start a business, you need to know how to run ads. You need to be able to deliver the product. You need to know marketing. You need to know sales. You need to know team management. You need a lot of money to start, and it's not the best way. Most people usually go with some of these popular models like trading. Trading, guys, for me, that's a really good skill, okay? It's a skill. You are determining your own income. You're setting your own hours. But problem with trading, you need a lot of money, guys. First of all, you need a lot of money to invest and actually be okay to lose it. And also, it's emotionally really hard. Guys, a lot of people say, oh, I know the tactic, I'm following my game plan, I'm following, my, how they say it, how much I'm going to invest it ratio, I'm okay with losing it, but you're not okay when your money goes down and you lose money. So it's emotionally really hard to handle it, and you need a lot of time to learn it. Guys, trading is a skill set. I've been learning trading, and you need time. You need time to learn it. You need to be really careful. You need to dedicate a lot of hours to actually understand the markets, and you need to be okay to lose money. So if you are up for it and you see yourself actually hustling, learning how to trade, giving yourself a time, investing the money, that can be the path for you to get to 10k a month, but it's not the easiest for sure. Or some people go with dropshipping. Everybody are talking about dropshipping, and everybody are presenting that business model like it's the easiest to go. Guys, don't fool yourself, okay? Don't let market fool you. It's not. It's true business, okay? For you to be profitable in dropshipping, first of all, you need money, okay? You need to have a budget to spend to buy product. You need to have money for ads. You need to have money, okay? Second of all, you need to understand profit margins. A lot of people online are showing you sales, total sales, how much they sold. What's the profit, okay? They're showing you the revenue, but do you understand? You need to spend a lot of money to actually have profit in dropshipping. So they show you sales, but what's the profit? And usually profit on dropshipping stores are 10, 20, 30%. So you need to understand that. You need to also know sales. You need to also know marketing. You need to also know social media. So there is a lot of components of you being actually profitable in dropshipping. You need to know the right product. So it's not easy as it sounds. You need a lot of money, you need to put a lot of effort, and you need a lot of skills for you to actually be profitable when it comes to business of dropshipping. So let's dive into the good way of making money online as a beginner. Here is why this model is amazing. First of all, you can start this for $0. Second of all, demand is to the moon in 2025. Everything that you make is yours. So there is no ad spend, there is no looking for a client, there is no delivering the product, nothing like that. All you need is laptop, internet connection, and place where you're going to take the calls from. And listen, you can do this from anywhere in the world. This skill, it's called high ticket sales. Guys, on the internet, you have online influencers, people that have big, massive following, and they're all in different niches. It could be fitness, business, dating, marketing, whatever. How do they make money online? Listen, where attention goes, money flows. All of them have high-level coaching programs that go from $2,000 and more. They sell it to their audience. Now, since attention on their pages is to the moon, they have massive demand of people that want to work with them, but they don't have a time to speak with all these people that are interested to be in their coaching program, because they need to run ads, they need to do marketing, post content, and deliver the results to existing clients. That's why they need you as a high ticket closer. So what you're gonna do, you're going to take their sales calls, okay? You are going to have people booked directly on your calendar that are already warm and interested to buy, and you don't need to search for them, because influencer has attention. He has people that are interested, and his team is going to book those people directly on your calendar. You're going to go on the call, talk to them, understand their situation, their concerns, present them the offer, and from every single deal that you close, you're going to get 10 to 15% commission. Guys, coaching industry is a billion-dollar industry. Okay, let's observe something. Before, even now, but before, people always strive to get educated, okay, college, everything, and people are paying a massive amount of money to go on college, because before that was only source of education. Now people are turning to online education. Is it easier for 18-year-old man, 20-year-old man to save up $5,000 and pay someone to learn them the skill where they can take it, they can make money from online, or to give $50,000 to go on university? What is easier to do right now? People are massively turning to online education. Coaching industry is a billion-dollar industry, and you need to leverage it. You need to take advantage of it as a closer, because coaches, as I said, they're already making money. They already have business. They already have system, and they need you. So you're going to get everything on your plate. You're going to get calls on your calendar with the people that are already warm and interested to buy. But listen, you need to be a performer. You need to perform. This is performance-based role. So these influencers are probably spending 200, 300, 500 bucks per day on ads to market their business, and they need killers. They need people that are going to actually close deals. And let's say they're going to book you 3 to 5 calls on your calendar, okay, every single day. And offer you're gonna sell, it's $5,000. You get 15% commission for every single deal that you close. That's 750 bucks. So let's say from 5 calls per day, you close only one, which is bad. Okay, you need to close more. But let's say you close only one, that's $750 for you in commission every single day. But as I said, you need to perform, okay? This is a skill that is, as I said, in demand. You need to understand what is in demand in this current marketplace. That's why I created a guide that is going to guide you from, I don't know what high ticket closing is, Dominik, to you being able to come on the marketplace and actually put yourself in a position where you have a good role and you have a good skill set. Guys, as I said, this is not the fastest, the easiest way. You need to put into work. You need to learn how to close. You need to learn how to actually understand human beings, how to ask good questions, how to look good on the camera, how to energetically present what you are offering on the call, and you're going to be good. Listen, as I said, this is the smartest route you can take to make your first 5 figures per month online and truly leave your 9-to-5 job and live the life where you can travel, where you can make money from anywhere you want, and you only need a laptop, internet connection, and quiet environment to take the calls from. But as I said, you need to put in the work. Watch my next video, it will explain you everything step by step.